And this is a view from the road bridge overlooking Ropley sidings. There's a class 47, there's a class 20, and there's a class 50 hiding behind that class 47. Number is 50027 Lion, I think it's called. Is that right, Andy?
Well, it's Lion, but I thought it's 50028.
And from this end, from the road bridge, we've got first off, is that the boiler shop, is it? Boiler shop?
The shop on the left and then the
Carriage shop behind it, and then the loco department alongside the station in the background now.
The person who interviewed me is only about an inch taller than me, and I was thinking the whole time, look, if you can do it, I can bloody do it.
Where's 68B? Dumfries, Andy, is it?
I think it was -6 when they got here to get it working.
That's how you lift boilers out?
Yeah, that's what they used to...
It's not a breakdown crane then, or do they use it for that as well?
They use it for...
They used it to turn Canadian Pacific's boiler a couple of days ago. And lift the austerities.
This looks good because it looks like it's wet.
Yeah, we're not allowed to clean it properly. They want it kept in this weathered condition. It's authentic VR weathered.
Because that's just what they look like on Bournemouth Depot in 1967. They look like that.